The previous discussions left us with this question, and this module will try to answer this question. Right in the beginning, there is a big no to this answer. It means discursive similarity that we have constructed through talk, it is not a real similarity. Differences remain in their place. They are there. The discourse analysis of couple talks that was conducted by the researcher shows that difference exists. Couples remain cross-cultural, right? If so, if this is the case, then discourses signal more than similarity. They also signal difference. What happens in the discourses? Similarity is highlighted, differences are backgrounded, but they are part of discourses. Sometimes they show themselves in talk because they are intact. वो सही सलामत रहते हैं, वो ख़त्म नहीं होते. Difference and similarity co-occur in each conversation. So it is quite natural to unnatural to think that our whole talk is on similarity and there is no mention of difference. This is quite unnatural. So both are part of conversation. We discussed this situation with reference to a research. Again, this is another research by the same researcher pillar. The researcher made a list of national differences and asked the couples to speak on them. Okay, this is quite interesting. The lists were like this. These lists were given to couples and they were asked to discuss these points with each other. This list included statements like Germans are or do so and so. Americans are and do so and so. Okay. Two things happen as a result of this discussion by the respondents. The couples commit to the national identities, yani they construct differences as a result of this. Because when they talk about Germans and Americans, they would talk about their respective differences, definitely. So they are constructing differences. The second thing that can be result of this discussion, the couples talk about both differences and similarities. Germans do this and Americans also do this. So this is construction of both differences and similarities. And if they just say Germans do this and Americans do this, they are constructing difference. Okay. So these are two results of this discussion: construction of difference and second, mention of differences and similarities both, that is deconstruction of difference. You know these terms, we have used them in previous modules when we talked about construction through socialization, construction of gender order through socialization at home. Then when we crossed home, we went to different contexts. So socialization is distributed. We called this distribution of socialization deconstruction. And then when socialization starts in these new contexts, we called it reconstruction. So as construction of gender goes through phases of construction, deconstruction and reconstruction, so the same terms are being used in the same sense here, construction and deconstruction. When you talk about only one context, the differences, this is construction. When you talk about multiple things, differences as well as similarities, this is deconstruction. So see the results of the research. First result is opposites attract. Parents of different cultures feel attracted to each other. Here, gender stereotypes are involved. For example, it is noted in a study based on data from media that Russian women, red women, they are submissive, subservient, both have similar meaning, obedient, passive, and domestic. This is stereotypes about them. Okay, so Europeans and Americans prefer them to white women because these things are not found in them. Okay, it means Asian women who belong to a red race, are different from European women, white women. So this gender stereotyping is based on race, based on skin color, red and white. So it promotes difference. So this time it is not gender stereotypes, it is the color stereotypes which promote difference between two partners. Okay, this is also possible in cross-cultural discourses. So we conclude that difference in cross-cultural couples is not based only on gender. It is based on racial stereotypes as well, as you have seen in my last point.